concept of how complexity grows from simple origins. Can you tell us more about it?
Many of our original services have the moniker simple, like a simple storage service. Simple may mean a name, but the reality is by making things simple, they can be terribly complicated.
In this episode of Simplexity, we tell the story of one of the world's largest storage systems and the team of innovators working to keep it simple.
You know, it was back in the early 2000s. There were, I think, 4, maybe 5 of us. Me, Werner, Al, a few others that they're just not here anymore. It was a REST API and a handful of features.
So Alex inspired